This is the demonstration of Friends, the social network. Here you can see the homepage of the website, and let's sign up first. Here we'll be creating the new user. So let's sign up. So the user is successfully signed up and logged into the system. This is the user newsfeed page where user can see the post of those user to whom the current user is following. So here you can see the user to name. This is the search bar where user can search profiles, and these are the other features like edit profile, post profiles, and logout button. So let's see them one by one. So in edit profile, user can change all this information, and he can upload a profile pic as well as he can reset its password and update this information. So let's change some information and verify it. And let's select a pic. And update. So if we go again to the profile edit profile tab, we can see the changes are being reflected here, and the uploaded image, we can see this image. Yeah, so now let's go to post. Here user can see all the posts he had made, and from here the user can create the post. So let's create a post. So here is the form, let's fill it. So we need to give the subject, message as well. Let's upload a pic and let's post it. So here you can see the post is being posted and it is shown in the my post list. And let's see the detail of the post. So here is the image which we have uploaded, the date on which this post is created, the message, the likes this post got, and the comment. And here in this section we can see the message and the who has commented, the comment, and the user who has commented on this post. So let's go back, and from here we can delete this post also. Let's delete it. He is asking to delete the post, so let's delete it. The post is disappeared now. Now let's go to the profile tab, and here we can see all the list of the users, and let's follow some users. So here we can follow this and this, or all of them, and we can also unfollow them. So now let's follow him, and let's go to the home page. So what we see that the post by this user is being seen in the news feed of the current user. So this user, the current user, can like this post. As you can see, the count is being incremented, or he can dislike it. As you can see, the count is decreased. So let's like it and let's comment on this post. So the comment is successfully commented. let's see the detail of this post. So here we can see that current user too has post this message, very nice post, and all the other people post all the other people's comment, and the total count of the comments and total like on this post. So let's go back and see some profile in detail. So let's see the detailed profile of this user, the profile picture of this user, and all the other information regarding this user. We can see other user detail also, the profile pic and the other information. And let's search some user by typing their name. So let's search this user and click on the search button. Yeah, we are seeing the search result, and we can see detail of this user, and we can also follow. And now let's log out the user from the system, and from here user can log out.